Today, I will show you how you can make hundreds of dollars just by using your phone and a few simple apps. So first, I will show you the least paying app, which you can just add to this list in order to make extra couple of dollars. But then, I will share with you one more app that has a potential to make you over $1,000 if you use it properly. And since you only need your phone to make money with these apps, you can basically do this in your spare time. Do this when you're out with friends, while waiting in line, while eating out, while laying on bed, or wherever you are. It's super simple and it gives you a lot more freedom since you don't have to be attached to your computer in any place. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the very first and the least paying app which we will be using in this video is this one right here. With this one, you can earn money and you can get paid weekly with PayPal. And all the three apps that we will be talking about today will actually pay you through PayPal, which is really great since I know that many of us guys prefer it as a payment option. But if PayPal is not available in your country, or you simply don't want to use it, then stay tuned because the next two apps will allow you to withdraw your money differently. How do you want to spend your online earnings? What things do you want to buy or services you want to avail? Share us your plans in the comment section below. Now with this free app, you can actually sign up in less than 60 seconds because you could even just connect your Facebook account, which requires only one click of a button. Then I will show you later how you can do so. And there are actually many different ways you can earn extra cash with this app. You can tag images, you can transcribe audio, moderate content, and much more. So you will first need to go through their quick training program, which will teach you how to actually complete those tasks. And afterward, you will be able to start making money. And this obviously requires no investment. The quick training program is absolutely free, so you don't have to pay for anything or whatsoever. They will give you the training program for absolutely free. Now, they have a variety of tasks which you can complete and you can earn money from that. But here are just a few examples. You will be helping improve future artificial intelligence by fasting whether it's right or not. For example, they will show you some image and will allow you to draw a box around a certain object. For instance, they will tell you to draw a box around the car. So you just need to find a car and on that image encircle it. Or maybe they'll show you an image where there's a laptop in it and then they will tell you to locate the laptop and draw a box around it and so on. The tasks are pretty simple and anyone can complete them with ease. Other tasks are, for example, categorized objects. They will ask you to identify keywords that describe what's in an image or text, and they might show you a code and you can type what color it is, what size you think it is, what material it's made of, and so on. Besides that, you can also draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine it. So they might show you a bicycle and they'll ask you to draw a box around ones that are different and so on. So some pretty simple stuff that can make you some extra cash in your spare time. And those are just some of the tasks which you can complete once you log into this free app. And this first app is called remotasks.com. And as you can see, it says, make money doing tasks. Start earning from home today. So that's our first app. Now let's go to the next one. Next, I have which you can use in an automation app, which will get you real targeted traffic for whatever offer you want to promote every single day. It's a lot different from that of the previous apps because it actually allows you to make more money by doing less, and users from all over the world are reporting earnings in the first 24 hours of using it. So definitely it has a decent potential. I will leave the link to this app in the description down below. It's obviously not free, but I grabbed some of the best deals for you. So if you use my affiliate link from the description, you will be able to grab it for the price of one Coke and a slice of pizza. Anyway, the way it works is you can connect it to any of your Instagram accounts and you don't need any followers or posts or whatsoever. You just need to connect it with your Instagram account and in less than 60 seconds, it will start working for you, driving you real targeted traffic to whatever you want to promote. Now, inside the apps or training program, they will show you which offers you can promote. For instance, some offers from affiliate networks are Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Digistore can sell easily and earn you hundreds of dollars in commissions. But of course, you can choose whatever affiliate offer you want to use. All you have to do afterward is sign up to some affiliate network, drive your affiliate link, set it up inside of this app, and it will start working for you. And depending on the marketplace you signed up to, you will be able to withdraw your money through PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, or whatever payment options you prefer that is accepted in that particular affiliate platform. For instance, I personally like to promote the JVZoo products using this app, and I've connected my PayPal with it. So when I make commissions, I can withdraw all of that money directly to PayPal and then spend it on whatever I want to. Personally, I like to travel a lot, and I think that new experience is always the best investment. And now the last app, which we will be using, is absolutely free. It literally pays you for doing nothing, but it can make you a lot. Nonetheless, it's still great to add as side hustle because it doesn't require any work from your side after you install it. You will be able to get paid for receiving free and random text messages that are generated from their software. And don't worry, they will not be spamming you with hundreds of messages a day. Instead, they will just send you like 2 or 3 messages a day, which you don't even have to read. You can just delete them as soon as you receive them. So as you can see, you can get paid real money for helping them improve worldwide communication. All you have to do is receive text messages on your mobile phone once in a while. No work required from your side at all. Here you can also see you can earn cash by just installing the app. They'll send you a random text message once in a while and you'll earn money for each received text message from them. The app is extremely safe and it's 100% secure for you to use because your personal data is handled according to strict privacy policy rules. So they will not read any of your private messages or private data. So you don't have to worry about that. You can read their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and there you will be able to ensure yourself that everything is 100% safe with this app. You can also see that these 3 reminders will tell you that if you don't want to receive messages for a while, but you still want to have this app installed so you can continue to make money in the future, you can simply disable the settings for a while and they will not be sending you any messages for a certain period of time. After that, you can go back to receiving messages and keep making money. Now, of course, this is really optional. You don't have to disable it, however, if you want to make as much money as possible with the app. But yeah, if you don't want to be bothered for some time, you can definitely disable it in the settings. Now, unfortunately, with this app, you can't make hundreds of dollars. In fact, average pay is around $5 a month, but it's still good. It's still free and it pays for no work at all. This app is called mockmoney.com. You can just install this free app through Google Play Store because it's currently only available for Androids. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.